Hello students, today we are going to discuss the assignment which is related to the lesson number 1, Earth Movements. This particular chapter belongs to subject Geography for the science stream as well as the art stream. So the first question is, the point where movement occurred which triggered the earthquake is the dash. Options are deep, epicenter, focus and strike. So the right answer is focus, because the focus is the point where the earthquake originates, where the earthquake exactly triggers. Next question, which of the following sequences correctly list the different arrivals from first to last? So there are different options which are related to P waves, S waves and surface waves. So always the P waves, they arrive first, because of that they are called as primary waves, and after the P waves the secondary waves arise, so they are called as secondary waves, and after that the last wave, that is the surface wave, L wave, longitudinal wave or love waves. So this is the sequence. So the first the option C is the right answer, that is P waves. No, the option 1 is the right answer, P waves, S waves and surface waves. Next question, when seismic P waves pass across the boundary between two different materials, the waves refract, the waves reflect, the waves change in the velocity, and all the above. The right answer is the waves refract. Whenever the P wave changes its state from one medium to another medium, suppose it changes its medium from solid to liquid, now it is going to enter in the liquid from solid, then it is going to go under a refraction. There will be change in the direction of that particular wave. So the first option is correct. Next question, the S wave shadow zone is caused by the dash. Options are the crust mantle boundary, the outer core, the lower mantle and the inner core. So the right answer for this particular question is that the S waves, they cannot travel from the solid medium. So because of that, before they enter in the core, then and there only they are being stopped. The outer core is totally made up of liquid material, hence they cannot travel or penetrate inside the outer core. So because of that, the S waves, they are basically stopped at the mantle itself. So the right answer is lower mantle. Earthquakes generally occur at plate boundaries where stress on rocks is greatest, the most rock is found, stress on rocks is low, magnetic pull is greatest. So earthquake generally occurs at the place where the stress is at a greatest point, or it has a maximum stress. So the first option is right answer. At which location does the first motion of an earthquake occur? Options are the focus, seismic gap, mantle, epicenter. The focus is the right answer, that over there the first motion of the earthquake exactly occur. Next question, how do scientists find the epicenter of an earthquake? By comparing the arrival times of P waves and S waves at several seismograph stations, by digging at several locations and comparing the data, by comparing the departure times of P waves and S waves at several seismograph stations, and by reviving satellite photos of tsunamis. So the right answer is they always compare the arrival time of P waves, because as soon as the earthquake triggers, the P waves, they start originating, and immediately after that the S waves originate. So by comparing the P wave and S wave with the help of seismograph, they can understand the epicenter of a particular earthquake. Next question, why do earthquakes usually occur at plate boundaries? Options are the rock on the edges of the tectonic plate is soft and gives it easily to various pressures. Rock in environments near tectonic plate boundaries experience great stress. The boundaries between tectonic plates have been seismically active for millions of years, and rock in environments near tectonic plate boundaries experiences less stress. In this, the B option is correct, that is, the rock in environments near the tectonic plate boundaries experiences the great stress. What is the epicenter of an earthquake? The location along a fault where the first motion of an earthquake occurs, a seismic wave that travels along the surface of Earth, the point on the Earth's surface directly above the earthquake's focus, and the last place that motion in an earthquake is detected. So the definition of epicenter is the point on the surface of the earth directly above the earthquake's focus. Next question, which wave can only go through the solid medium? So the options are P wave, S wave, surface wave, normal waves. So the right answer is S waves, because it can travel only in solid medium and it cannot travel in liquid and gaseous medium. So this is all about the assignment, which was totally based on shadow zone as well as the topic of earthquake. Thank you for watching.